Welcome to Felicia Graphics. Excited to share the best home interior design tips with you. Subscribe now and let's make your home beautiful. Nature's beauty. Stunning garden design ideas. A serene and beautifully designed garden is a harmonious blend of nature and design, where thoughtful plant selection creates a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures, and winding pathways invite leisurely exploration. Gardens are often seen as a reflection of nature's tranquility, a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. A serene and beautifully designed garden offers a unique style that can transport visitors to a world of peace and beauty. In this video, we will explore the elements that contribute to creating such a garden and how they harmonize to form a unique and inviting space. The soothing sounds of water features add to the tranquility, while unique stylistic elements reflect the gardener's personal narrative. Engaging all senses and embracing the seasonal dynamics, such a garden offers a multidimensional experience that evolves throughout the year, providing a tranquil sanctuary that resonates with every visitor. The selection of plants is akin to choosing the right colors for a painting. Each plant contributes to the overall aesthetic. For instance, lavender not only adds a soft purple hue, but also infuses the air with a calming scent. Japanese maples provide a structural elegance with their intricate leaves, while perennial flowers offer a recurring surprise of color year after year, ensuring the garden's beauty is not fleeting but enduring. Pathways are the garden's veins, circulating visitors through its beauty. They are designed to encourage exploration and discovery, curving around corners and enticing visitors to see what lies beyond. The materials used for pathways, like pebbles or mossy stones, are chosen for their natural appearance and how they feel underfoot, adding an element of sensory pleasure to the journey. Water features are the auditory soul of the garden. The sound of water trickling or flowing is not just background noise. It's a carefully tuned symphony that complements the visual splendor of the garden. It masks the jarring sounds of the outside world, allowing visitors to focus on the here and now and to find a moment of peace amidst the gentle sounds of nature. A garden's unique style is its signature. It's where personal tastes and cultural influences come together to create something one of a kind. This could manifest in the form of a Zen garden's simplicity, which encourages meditation, or the whimsical charm of an English garden that tells tales of fairy tales and folklore. These personal touches make the garden not just a display of nature, but a narrative of the gardener's journey and inspirations. A well-designed garden takes into account the changing seasons. It offers a dynamic experience that evolves throughout the year. Spring's vibrant blooms, summer's lush greenery, autumn's fiery foliage, and winter's stark beauty each play a role in the garden's life cycle. This consideration ensures that the garden is not just a static showcase, but a reflection of the ever-changing nature of life itself. In conclusion, a serene and beautifully designed garden is more than just a space with plants and paths. It's a living, breathing work of art that engages all the senses. It's a testament to the gardener's vision and a gift to every visitor who steps into its embrace. The unique style of the garden is the final flourish that makes it not just memorable, but also deeply personal.